the 3/4 hose elbow. And the secret of all these water hoses is the washer. They've included Teflon tape, but I can't see a possible use for Teflon tape for hoses, water hoses, garden hoses. But we could always use some extra Teflon tape for hydraulics and plumbing and all sorts of things. So it's a welcome addition. So this fixes very easily on this side because there's some leverage from that elbow. Tight as anything. And then it has a swivel fitting on the female end, which is going to be really convenient because once it's hooked in there, it's going to be hard to tighten. But with this, no problem at all. And a couple of extra washers, always welcome. Now, I personally don't know what I'm going to use this for, but with hundreds of feet of hoses running around my place, eventually I'm going to say, wow, I'm glad I've got that elbow, because it's going to be very useful at some point. There it is.